Time now for Jeff's Motor Minute.
All righty. You got this, Mark? You want me to do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Just go ahead.
I'll let you do the intro and I'll pop it.
Okay, so from rookie contracts to racing wealth, these are the homes of some of the NASCAR drivers that we all know and not necessarily are current. So what happens when speed, fame, and big wins turn into real estate, real world? Well, for NASCAR's biggest stars, success doesn't just stay on the track. It shows up in the homes they build, from a quiet lakeside retreat to jaw-dropping mansions. So here we go. The first one on the block is Kevin Harvick's $3.5 million European castle. It's a 12,000 square foot Oak Ridge mansion. It looks more like a European fortress rather than a race car driver's pad. 2014 NASCAR champion, he listed the 5-bedroom home featuring a garden for $3.5 million. It's a fitting residence for a man with 121 National Series wins, ranking him third all-time in NASCAR history. I like it, but I don't like the big hill there. I would probably trip and roll down it. The next one we have is Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s $3.7 million Pirate Paradise. Earnhardt, his love for history in the Key West, built this pirate home. 3,300 square foot nautical escape features rope-wrapped columns, ship wheels, and even a secret hatch. Don't know where it goes. 26-time Cup winner listed the 5-bedroom home for $3.7 million, showcasing a renovation hobby he once shared on the DIY network. So he was actually doing remodels to it and put it on TV. The next one we have is a retired driver. It's Kurt Busch's Trophy Room Palace, located in Mooresville, which is North Carolina. Kurt Busch's former 9,500 square foot estate was built to house a legacy. The inaugural Chase for the Cup champion designed the office specifically for 34 trophies, boasting 5.5 bathrooms, garage large enough for a custom 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. Home recently hit the market for nearly $4 million. So there you go. If you got extra $4 million, you can buy it. Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Equestrian Estate. This home is a massive 9,986 square foot property previously owned by NASCAR legend Ernie Irvan and Joe Nemechek. I don't think they owned it together separately. Valued at $16 million, the estate features an 18-stall horse barn, 3-acre pond, and a putting green. The Daytona 500
Richmond
residence often offers a spa and a cabana for the ultimate post-race relaxation.
Mm-hmm.
Jeff Gordon, who knows him? He's the Manhattan condo guy.
In your tiny little Speedo.
There you go. 4-time champion Jeff Gordon trademarked for the track for Central Park views with his $30 million residence. Now, bear in mind, it's an apartment, or condo, I should say, featuring Brazilian cherry floors and an Italian ceramic kitchen.
Brazilian. I knew we would get that word in there sooner or later.
The word of the day. 3,454 square feet. Home tripled in value since Gordon's 2007 purchase. NASCAR Hall of Famer sold the luxury unit just 2 months before finishing it. He provided speed translates to real estate is what he's talking about. So he
real estate,
not
real estate.
I got they separated real estate and estate for the real. Tony Stewart's $30 million Indiana Lodge. This is pretty cool. Known as Smoke, that's his moniker. Owns this most expensive residence, a $30 million rustic lodge spanning over 19,000 square feet, 415 acres. The home features an 8,700-gallon freshwater aquarium and an indoor trout stream. Oh, boy. Get out of bed and drop a line.
Drop something. Drop. I was going to say trowel, but I guess that'd be kind of trout.
Well, you go trolling the night before. Built in the Northern Rockies, lodgepole pine. Extreme luxury. The last one we have, this guy is known as the Kid, Mark Martin. It's the $1 Million Chef Haven. Known as the Kid.
Hi, I'm Mark Martin. And I go.
I like Mark Martin.
I look too, but he talks like
5,700 square foot sanctuary on Lake Norman. The 40-time NASCAR champ winner enjoyed professional chef's kitchen and private pavement dock for lake access. $2.55 million. It remains a testament to his storied Roush racing career. And of course, he made a lot of money with when Viagra was his sponsor. He got that spot because he was.
Are you serious?
He was winning races by inches.
Oh my God!
And
I got it. There was a joke in there.
Yeah,
I just now getting it. Sorry.
Okay. Anyways, but there you go. So if you got a lot of money and you're a race car driver, and I know there's a lot of folks out there that are trying to be that level, keep trying. I mean, you got to start somewhere, and there's a lot of folks out there that know what they're doing.
Time now for this hour's.
And there's a lot of folks out there that know what they're doing.
Time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV. Comes in these trim levels: the LT, the RS, and the SS. I had the SS. Now, this is considered by the government as a small SUV. We would like to call it really a medium size. Ours was habanero orange.
Ooh.
Seats 5 folks, including the driver, all new for 2024. Sharp and unique EV styling ranks high on our looking glass meter. Unique gills behind the front wheel well. Driver's side in particular opens for a charge port over there. Good-looking 22-inch wheels, not ugly EV wheels. Great-looking rear hatch area, Chevy unique. And what I liked, the overall design kills it. Now, what could use improvement? The power sunroof is a $1,500 option. It's not for Houston sunshine in the summertime. That's my opinion.
Yeah.
Interior highlights. There's no start button. There's no stop button. You get in, sit down, put your foot on the brake, and it turns on.
Wow.
You want to get out? All you got to do is just put the car in park, get out, and it shuts off.
Wow.
There's no button. Very different. It's kind of unsettling at first. Anyway, seating materials are cool. 3 round vents on the dash for AC. Layered dual screens are awesome. 17-inch center screen. Cargo room, adequate for a vehicle its size. What I liked, the overall interior design is awesome. What could use improvement? There is no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto available on this vehicle. It's a thing that General Motors is doing across the board, that they're going to do away with all of that and bring it in-house with the OnStar built in. And so they want your money that you would normally pay for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. They want to be in charge of everything on the no button. Engine, 102 kilowatt per hour battery. It's got dual motors on it. It's all-wheel drive. Relative speaking, it's 615 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. No transmission. It's a direct drive electric motor. Range, it says 302 miles. Well, I got 2.6 miles per kilowatt hour, which related to about a 443.5 miles. Anyway, what I liked about it, it's for a plug-in. I mean, it's okay. I plugged it in at home and I plugged it in at work. And so if you want to call it free electricity, as you know, there's nothing free anymore. Ride and handling, it's smooth despite its heavy battery pack. What could use improvement? Nothing, I suppose. Here's the price. Base trim, $60,600. Price is tested $63,985. The base model price, not the SS now, is $44,700. Competitors, Hyundai Ioniq 5 starts at $35,000. Cadillac Lyriq, $59,200, which I think would be its twin sister on the Cadillac brand. And then the Mustang Mach-E starts at $37,795. Next week, I get to review the Kia K4.
I want to bet.